Welcome to session B of part 2 of the series of video tutorials that I have prepared on how to use the physical asset condition and inspection mapping tool. Last time we covered how to use the legend and uh, layer list button. Now we will go to the other buttons like the navigation or the zoom out and zoom in button. So this plus sign is for zooming in and the minus sign is for zooming out. So if you tap this, it will zoom farther the map to the ground, and if you tap on the negative sign, it will zoom out the map. So if you want to go back to your default extent, which is the whole of Timor-Leste, you can click on the home button, but we need first to remove the detailed layers like the Aldea boundary and the contour interval and in the water course. Let's leave the municipal boundary because it will just clutter on the map if we click on the home button. So there you go. So that is how you use the zoom out, zoom in, and the home button. And this button is for my location, is that way you only use this if you want the map to zoom into your location. So the other buttons are the what we call the smart editor button and the select button. We'll discuss that in in part C. What I want to continue to discuss here is how to use the search tab button. So this is the search tab button. The search tab button allows you to search the features, and these are the searchable features that you can search using this tool. You can search for the municipality, the admin post, the suku, aldea, and infrastructure project. Let's try looking for projects. Let's try to look for a project located in Bocao. So you can just type the initial letter of a project, let's say in Bocao, so that starts with a B, and then if you after typing it all, it will appear 6 choices there. It will appear there. These are not just the projects. There are so many projects in Bacau, but these are the first 6 projects that will appear. But if you add more like IS, if you have IS, so these are the IS projects or irrigation system projects that are in Bocao. So let's select BIS 07. So it will zoom in directly to BIS 07. Now, if I close this pop-up window, that feature of the BIS 07 will disappear. The reason for that is that we haven't turned on yet on the legend list that particular feature. So we turn it on. So now you see the BIS 07 feature, or the proposed irrigation system for this part of Timor-Leste. So at this level, you can now turn on the other features like the contour interval, the water course, aldea boundary, and suko boundary, so that it can provide you more information that you need for the asset mapping activity. So this particular irrigation system project is located in Aldea Bahadatu, Suku Fatulia, and this is in Bocao. That ends part B of, or session B of part 2 of this video tutorials. See you on the next session.